Over the years, there has been high rate of deforestation and land degradation in some forests in Zambia. Katete district in Eastern Province is among the affected with the depletion of trees in some areas. Many here, like 40-year-old Margaret Mvula, admit to cutting down trees for various uses. However, efforts to bring back to life 150 hectares of degraded land have started. World Vision Zambia is implementing a sustainable land restoration project in Katete, Sinda and Chiwombo districts.
World Vision has an ambitious agenda, and this agenda is to regenerate 1 million hectares of degraded land by 2030, contributing to the Afri 100, which aims to restore 100 million hectares of land across Africa.
The Australian government is funding the project to the tune of about $3 million. Meanwhile, Green Economy and Environment Minister Collins Nzovu was represented by Ministry Assistant Director Planning, Lewis Mwira.
To urge you and your establishment to continue and positively influence your subjects to come up with bylaws within your chiefdoms with the aim of discouraging negative practices which lead to land degradation in the country.
And the 7 chiefdoms participating in the project have pledged to support the initiative.
Project.
The 5-year Sustainable Land Restoration Project will benefit over 5,000 people across the 3 districts. Lucky Piri, ZNBC News, Katete.